Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use virtual desktops in Windows 10. If you open many applications at once, or use your PC for very different types of tasks, a virtual desktop can provide a convenient way to stay organised. Using virtual desktops, Windows 10 allows you to create multiple separate desktops, each of which can display different open windows and applications. To add a virtual desktop, open a new Task View pane by clicking the Task View button on the taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key plus tab. In the Task View pane, you can click New Desktop to add a virtual desktop. If you have two or more desktops already open, the Add a Desktop button will appear as a grey tile with a plus symbol. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus D to quickly add a desktop without entering the Task View pane. For the record, you can add unlimited number of virtual desktops. To move a window from one desktop to another, you must first open the Task View pane and then hover your mouse over the desktop containing the window you want to move. A window on the desktop will pop up. Find the window you want to move, right-click it, then go to Move To and select the desktop you want to move the window to. You can also drag and drop windows. Grab the window you want to move and drag it to the desired desktop. To close the virtual desktop, open the Task View pane and hover your mouse over the desktop you want to close, until a small X appears in the upper right corner. Click the X to close the desktop. Finally, you can also close desktops without going into the Task View pane by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Control plus F4. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.